are gonna hit a left-hand turn, Clyde. Let's hit it. Here we go. Woo! Watch that. Grand Rising Mother Buckers, we're starting the day off at the farm. We're already here, guys, you know, getting an early start today. Gonna load up the trailer. It's gonna be a beautiful day, Mother Buckers. We're gonna back up to the trailer here. Yeah, guys, we're gonna pick up another squeeze of Bermuda. We're gonna take it right up to Oracle Way, and we'll see you guys on the way there. Everything's all good. Everything's gonna see all right. But yeah, guys, I went ahead and got me a little biscuit, so I'm gonna pass out later, and I got a yerba. No snack today.
No.
No with the water and the yerba way. All right, guys, Zimbabwe time. We'll see you guys there. What up, motherfuckers? If you're still watching this video, you guys are awesome. We are currently just driving in Catalina. We are gonna hit a left-hand turn, Clyde. Let's hit it. Here we go. Woo! Watch that trailer ride the line. Ride the line. Ride the line. Oh, and steady wins the race. Yup, I'm a turtle. 20. 25. Oh, no. 25. Gotta stay light as a feather on the gas so we don't blow the transmission today. Light as a feather, because the transmission's gotta survive a few more days. Alright? We're gonna get the transmission rebuilt as soon as possible, guys. And then we're gonna absolutely be stomping it. Stomp it! You guys overheated on delivery, so I'm sure you guys saw us stacking some bales. We did that squeeze into the shipping container and we overheated so bad our shirts were soaking wet, so we hung them in the door, in the window, and then Carpet almost cut my finger off with the window.
Oh, that's really awesome, guys. I am loving it.
Yep, I'm loving it.
Trucker style, like this.
Oh, shit. Oh. Really got learned today. I got learned, but then it gets heavy and then I gotta go back to doing like this. Then I actually
He's rolling the boat, guys.
Get your bear
I help you pull the pin first.
Usually he's already...
I got this drag. You gotta go down. You gotta go down the truck. We gotta lift it.
I was wondering why
Show the guys the lift kit.
I was wondering why it was so hard. Yeah, we got the lift kit. I'm gonna jack up the whole back of the truck.
Guys.
Gotta pull the pin.
Yeah.
That was your fault because you were slashing on it.
Right. Gotta pull the pin. Unless you want to lift up your truck and, change a tire while you're
I
at
was
it.
wondering why it felt so heavy. It was feeling pretty extreme.
It's too hot to be doing this, man.
It's like lifting off the ground. Oh, it'll be easy. We're gonna take our pen off one of the ones on the top up there. Larry's gonna pull it down for us, and we're gonna load 10 up in the bed real quick, and then we'll go over to the Bermuda barn over there and get 10 Bermuda, and then we'll be on our way to our final delivery of the day, guys. We're just getting ready for this, guys. I don't know, what is this? Okay, that's the 10 alfalfa, guys. There it is.
10 Bermuda.
Okay, I'm gonna load up 10 more, guys. 10 more. See, I need to just operate the stack cruiser because I want to float, guys. Hey, motherfucker. Yeah, I intro. Makes alfalfa feel like it's got like other stuff in it, bro. Okay, guys, we're big ballin'. Big ballin' shot calling. Gonna go deliver 20 ballas. Pretty sure we'll have to record our seat.
I don't have to make a bounce.
Well, you don't gotta bounce them too much right here.
Because I couldn't.
We'll end up taking out something. That happened in the barn earlier.
I know it happened to me in the barn earlier too.
It was like if you grab the bottom one without grabbing the top, you're done.
was even able to stack this one on here, so it's a little more.
Perfect.
Load it up. We are done.
We made it through the whole day.
I'm absolutely sweating out of my pores, guys.
Yeah, my pores are clear.
I'm like literally water right now.
Yeah, I made a Jello water. Jello. I just really want to try. It's like cooler.
But yeah, guys, basically I just want to remind you to save the tofu. So stop eating eggs, start cracking them in the desert. You know the drill. Don't ever eat an egg ever again. And if you do, make sure it's soft boiled because tofers don't like soft boiled. But yeah, leave the tofers some eggs out in the desert. And if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel,
And check out motherfuckers47.com and get yourself a $25 t-shirt today.
and we'll see you in the next one. All right, bye.